Thinking of buying a Mercedes? What if your luxury dream car turns into a nightmare that empties your bank account? Here's something most people won't tell you. Not all luxury is built equal to last. Some models run for years without a hitch, while others cost a fortune in repairs. Let's uncover 4 best Mercedes and 4 worst that look great, but cost you big in the long run. Stay with us, your dream car might be on this list. Number 1. Mercedes-Benz CLS 550, 2007 to 2011. This one looks like a dream. The CLS 550 is that sleek 4-door coupe that turns heads at every stoplight. But behind that stylish grin, a laundry list of expensive issues. Let's start with the engine. The M273 V8 has known problems like camshaft adjuster failure, oil leaks, gasket troubles. But the real villain here is the air suspension system. When it fails, and it often does, you're staring at a repair bill between $2,000 and $4,000, and that's for just one part. Combine all these issues with complex engineering, and you've got a car that's amazing to drive until the warranty runs out. Then it becomes a financial black hole. You might love how it looks, but owning one can quickly turn into a full-time job, and an expensive one at that. Number 2. Mercedes-Benz ML350, 2006 to 2011. On the outside, this mid-size SUV screams luxury. It's got a strong road presence, clean lines, and a comfy cabin. Sounds perfect, right? But under the hood, total chaos. The ML350 from 2006 to 2011 comes with an M272 V6 engine, famous for one big problem. The balance shaft gear fails early, sometimes before hitting 80,000 miles. When will that happen? Get ready to pay $4,000 to $6,000 for repairs. That's not including all the other issues. More common headaches, transmission failures, electrical bugs, window regulators that keep breaking, warning lights that never go away. Once this SUV crosses 100,000 miles, it turns into a ticking time bomb, and fixing one problem doesn't stop the next. This isn't luxury, it's financial roulette. If you want peace of mind, skip this one. Number 3. Mercedes-Benz MLClass, 1998 to 2005. At first glance, the MLClass seems like a rugged SUV built for the long haul. But once you own it, the problems start rolling in. These models rust easily, especially around the doors and lower body. The door locks fail, the transmission sticks, and the sunroof often pops loose. And that's not all. The water pump and air pump, constant trouble. The interior plastics also wear down quickly, making the car look older than it is. It's high maintenance, unpredictable, and simply not worth the headache. Many experts say Mercedes focused too much on cutting costs during these years, and the quality suffered. If you're thinking about buying a used ML class from this era, prepare for frequent garage visits and big repair bills. Number 4. Mercedes-Benz C230 compressor, 2003 to 2007. This one pulled in younger drivers with a lower price tag and sporty look. It had a supercharged 4-cylinder engine that gave it some zip. But fun doesn't last when you're always at the mechanic. As this car gets older, the list of issues keeps growing. Supercharger problems, timing chain failures, random electrical glitches. And it's not just the engine. The inside wears out fast. Buttons fade, seats crack early, and the overall build quality feels more like a budget car than a Benz. What's worse, maintenance costs are still premium, even though the car doesn't hold its value. So while it looked like a smart entry into the Mercedes world, the C230 quickly turned into a wallet drain. It's proof that not every Benz is worth the badge. You've seen the worst, the money pits, the sleek but broken promises. But don't lose hope. Yes, Mercedes has made some flops, but it's also built a few true gems. Cars that age well, cars that drive smoothly even past 100,000 miles, cars that don't give you panic attacks every time a dashboard light blink. So here are 4 Mercedes-Benz models that are actually worth your money. Let's start with one that might just be the sweet spot of Mercedes engineering. Number 5. Mercedes-Benz S-Class W221, 2007 to 2013. Yes, this is the flagship. The S550 from this era isn't just luxurious, it's a tank in a tuxedo. Inside, you get everything you'd expect. Plush leather, whisper quiet ride, buttons and panels that still feel premium 10 plus years later. But what's most surprising is that it's actually pretty reliable, if you pick the right one. The naturally aspirated V8 engine holds up well, and while the air suspension system can still act up, it's not nearly as fragile as in the CLS. Want a tip? Avoid the AMG or V12 versions. They're faster, but the repair costs can be brutal. Stick with the S550, get a solid inspection before you buy, and you've got a true luxury cruiser that won't punish your wallet. Number 6. Mercedes-Benz EClass W212, 2010 to 2016. This generation of E-Class hits a rare balance. Old school strength meets modern luxury, especially the E350 model with the updated M276 V6 engine. Unlike its older cousins with engine issues, this one runs smooth with regular care. Why it stands out: solid mechanical parts, comfortable but firm ride, long-lasting interior materials, handles well without feeling stiff. Sure, it's not perfect. There are the occasional electrical hiccups or tiny oil leaks, but nothing too scary. And if you go for a facelift model from 2014 to 2016, you'll get a sharper design and better tech inside. If you want a used Mercedes that gives you that luxury feel without the fear of surprise repair bills, the W212 E-Class is a strong choice. Number 7. MercedesBenz GLE 350, 2016 to 2019. Remember the ML350 we warned you about? This is its smarter, more mature sibling. The GLE 350 shows that Mercedes actually learned from past mistakes. Here's why it's a major upgrade. Uses the newer M276 V6 engine, way more reliable. Most versions come with standard coil suspension, which means way fewer costly repairs. Interior feels upscale, tech is easier to use. Drives like a luxury SUV should. Quiet, steady, and confident. Now, no SUV is totally perfect. You might see the odd sensor error or a window switch acting up, but these are minor problems compared to what the ML used to throw at owners. With a good maintenance history, the GLE 350 is a dependable daily driver that doesn't need constant attention. It's the Mercedes SUV done right. Number 8. Mercedes-Benz GLK 350, 2009 to 2015. This one flies under the radar. The GLK 350 doesn't grab as much attention as flashier SUVs, but that might be why it's such a great pick. Here's what makes it shine. Simple, reliable build. Uses either the M272 or M276 engine. Both solid with regular service. Cabin feels sturdy, not flashy. Suspension is comfortable without being overly soft. It's not overloaded with fragile tech. That's actually a good thing. Fewer electronics means fewer things to break down. Some owners report small stuff like ignition coil issues or power steering leaks, but nothing that'll send you into panic mode. If you want a luxury SUV that just works, the GLK 350 delivers. No drama, no disaster, just a smooth, reliable ride that keeps going. When it comes to Mercedes-Benz, the badge isn't the only thing that matters. What's under the hood, how it's engineered, and whether it was built in a smart year, all of that counts more than the logo on the grille. But don't forget, no matter how good the car is, you still need a solid maintenance history and a pre-purchase inspection. That's your best shield against hidden problems. But wait, I've got more. In the next video, I'll reveal the 18 most reliable SUVs that last forever. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated. See you in the next one.